I'm Joan Landis. Now we're talking and just reviewing about relaxation strategies, which are so crucial. If you are dealing with anxiety, you have to have some relaxation strategies that you know you can use and that are very helpful for you. So please make sure that you've taken the course, Magnificent Mindfulness Strategies, and the self-care course. That's really, really good. That a lot of times, when we are under stress, we need to take care of ourselves better, not worse, okay? So make sure that you know those breathing exercises. Make sure you know those progressive muscle relaxation. Make sure that you use the guided imagery. Make sure that you take time for yourself and do something that feels really good. Get a massage, take a hot bath, get in a hot tub, take that walk, go on that hike, take that vacation. That's so important. Call up that friend and talk to them. Watch that funny movie with popcorn and a buddy. And just really allow yourself to have some places and times where it just feels good. And you can just let that body relax and not let your mind 24/7 just keep running away with you, okay? So make sure you review those concepts and those courses if you need to. Make relaxation strategies a very important part of your life. If you could do it every evening before bed, that would be fantastic to have a nice little ritual before bed. Sometimes things like a little bit of warm milk, certainly nothing with caffeine, no alcohol. But, just having that nice relaxation technique, routine that can help with just settle your mind down, help your body to relax. And this is a crucial thing, that anytime you've got anxiety, you've got to take care of yourself in this manner. Use those tools. Don't just talk about them. Don't just think about them. Really, really do them. And then another thing that can be really useful is writing in your journal. Because it's so interesting when you actually let the words flow out of your hand, you're engaging your body and that neocortex at the same time. And that's a nice combination. And then expressing the feelings and thoughts with that hand is very, very important. So journal writing is better than just typing on a computer. Like, let your thoughts flow out and then read in the things that you've written in the past and kind of compare, what does this feel like? What was something important then, but maybe it's not as important now? What's a way I dealt with things and it really did resolve okay? And so journal writing is a wonderful relaxation technique too. So just get a quiet place in front of a fire, curl up in front with a blanket and a little warm drink, and write. Just allow yourself to write all your concerns. Get them out on paper. And then if you have to, take the page and burn it. There's nothing wrong with that. But there's something really relaxing and really therapeutic about getting those words out on paper longhand. So I hope you will do and commit to at least a couple of these. If anxiety is a problem for you, make sure that you're addressing the stuff on the back end. That you're realizing that I need to do some self-care here, okay? So write about it in the forums. We'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.